Welcome to my channel Quizology. Don't forget to like, subscribe, let's dive in. Question: which scripting language is most commonly used for automation in IT environments? Answer B. Python. Question: PowerShell is primarily used on which operating system? Answer C. Windows. Question: Bash scripting is mainly associated with which platform? Answer B. Linux Unix. Question: which of the following is a key feature of Python for scripting? Answer B. Interpreter-based. Question: PowerShell supports which object-oriented feature? Answer A. Classes. Question: which command is used to list files in Bash? Answer B. ls. Question: what is a primary benefit of scripting automation? Answer B. Increased efficiency. Question: which scripting language is known for its use in DevOps automation? Answer D. All of the above. Question: which of these is a common PowerShell cmdlet for retrieving system information? Answer A. getProcess. Question: in Bash, which symbol is used to redirect output? Answer B. Question: what is the main reason to learn scripting for IT professionals? Answer A. to automate repetitive tasks. Question: which scripting language is known for its extensive libraries and ease of use? Answer B. Python. Question: PowerShell scripts typically end with which extension? Answer a.ps1. Question: which command in Bash is used to make a script executable? Answer C. mod plus x. Question: which scripting language is preferred for cross-platform automation? Answer C. Python. Question: what does the echo command do in Bash? Answer A. displays text. Question: which scripting language is most integrated with Windows management? Answer B. PowerShell. Question: which of the following is a feature of Bash scripting? Answer B. scripting for Unix Linux. Question: Python scripts are often used for which of the following? Answer D. all of the above. Question: which command is used in PowerShell to get help on a cmdlet? Answer B. get help. Question: in Bash, how do you comment a line? Answer B. hash. Question: which scripting language is most suitable for quick automation tasks on Windows? Answer B. PowerShell. Question: which of these is an advantage of using Python for scripting? Answer D. All of the above. Question: PowerShell can interact with which of the following? Answer D. All of the above. Question: which command in Bash is used to search for text within files? Answer B. grep. Question: what is the main purpose of scripting in IT? Answer B. automate tasks and improve efficiency. Question: which scripting language is often used for automating cloud infrastructure? Answer D. All of the above. Question: in PowerShell, which command is used to stop a process? Answer A. stop process. Question: which scripting language is best suited for scripting on Linux servers? Answer D. both B and C. Question: which of the following is a common use case for scripting languages? Answer D. all of the above. Thanks for watching. Comment your score and any suggestions below. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.